At SW, we understand that real leadership in the glove industry goes beyond performance. It starts with purpose. That's where ESG comes in. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance, the three pillars guiding responsible businesses. For us, it's not just a standard, it's a commitment. Environmentally, we're reducing our footprint with renewable energy efficiency, and optimizing logistics, while providing eco-friendly glove waste disposal solutions, helping labs and industries meet zero-waste goals. Socially, we invest in what matters most: people. That means safer workplaces, wellness programs, inclusive practices, and support for the communities we serve. Our governance approach keeps us transparent and accountable. We are aligned with global ESG reporting frameworks such as GRI and regulatory standards to ensure ethical operations and responsible sourcing. Our commitment has been recognized on the world stage. SW has achieved the EcoVadis Platinum rating, placing us in the top 1% of companies worldwide for sustainability and ethical business practices. This milestone isn't just an award. It's proof that protecting hands can also protect the planet, empower people, and set new standards for the glove industry. At SW, we don't wait for the future to happen. We manufacture our gloves responsibly.